Tina, you're on Home Show Radio.
Hi. I have a rental property that's about 900 square feet, maybe a little bit over, and it has a window unit, and we were thinking about upgrading the air conditioning system on it, and I wondered what you thought about mini splits, or would it be better to get the central heating and air?
First off, when you talk to your contractors, find out which is going to be best for you. The mini split systems are a new trend, which I personally like very much. I like them because you can have several heads in different rooms. You can control each room individually. So in the long run, if you use it properly, you can have a lower electric bill, lower energy usage. They are not controlled by the federal government as far as having to spend money on all these new bells and whistles and federal regulations that really don't help the environment, do not help the earth, but help people make a lot of money. And so I like that route if it matches you. So if you have an open house and you're not a lot of people in the home and you're not trying to keep the whole house exactly the same temperature all the time, fine. And you can look at the cost. The install cost is usually less. But as far as central, if it's what you need and it fits your needs better, your contractor should be able to tell you what that is. Over the radio, it's tough, but I would not shy away from it at all.
Okay, great. We're just finding with the window units, sometimes the people don't care for them like they should because they put their own window unit in. And I've found that most of the air conditioning companies don't check those. I haven't found that
they will not.
They will not.
I grew up with window units in Florida as a child. I had one in my bedroom, and I took very good care of it because it was my best friend. But today, the window units are becoming less and less used, especially down here. Houston it's arguably, some people say no, some people say yes, the most air-conditioned city in the world. I say it is. But as far as that goes, everybody's moving away from those. And the biggest problem with those for our climate is they don't dehumidify like they should. So they run all the time and it gets a little clammy, it gets a little wet on some of the units. To maintain them or have somebody fix them is almost impossible to find anymore. Usually you have to take the unit to the repair person and not have them come out and fix it. If you can find somebody, because there's not that many of them left, and there's no reason for anybody to be in business with those things as far as repair work goes. So we look at them like a toaster as a throwaway unit. When it starts to go bad, you throw it away, you get a new one. But my comment here is if the window unit probably took care of the issue in the house, a mini split will be serviced by a service person. They'll come out, and it probably will be a better choice for you.
Okay, great. Well, thank you so much. I appreciate the information.
It's actually a very good call because of the new regulations. The new central units have gone up in price anywhere from $2,000 to $5,000 a unit just in costs of equipment because they're regulated now. But the mini splits aren't. They kind of forgot about that one. Now that I've opened my mouth, somebody's going to hear it and change it. But you can actually get more equipment and a more efficient system if you put it in right and use it right than you can with the other ones at a lot less install cost.
Okay. Would you recommend the AC Tech guys?
Air Tech? Absolutely.
Yes. Okay.
Air Tech of Katy. Call them. Let them put it in. They know those units inside and out. I tell you what, let's say you didn't use them and you had someone else you used. Most of the guys in the industry now are very familiar with them. It's been about a 20-year run since they first hit the Houston market, and everybody's gotten really good at it. And it's you're not going to find anybody that doesn't understand them, even service people. It doesn't always have to be that, but if you don't have someone, definitely call Air Tech of Katy.
Thank you so much.